a bit of a run of what we do here at City Ag, our service. These are the products that we like to use, all by Wins. We've got the engine flush here, injector clean here, professional use power steering fluid, there's a flush and an additive there, and the same with your radiator flush and automatic transmission to the back here. With your induction clean, we use our Wins Ultra Power here, which is an additive for cleaning the carbon out of the induction system of your vehicle, and throttle body cleaner also for the induction system of your unit. Combined with the injector clean does a complete system clean of the vehicle for the induction and injectors. Cut.
Righto.
Okay, first step I like to take in complete cam service is adding the engine flush to the engine. Now that adds straight to your engine oil, which thins and flushes and cleans all the system, any deposits and that in the engine system. Now while we're doing the rest of the system, while we're doing the rest of the service, the flush will take its toll on the engine and do its job. So I like to add that first, and then we get stuck into doing the rest of the service, and I'll show you that.
When?
Okay, this is our transmission flush machine. Now this changes up to 95% of the oil in your transmission system, which is a lot better than the general 50 to 25 to 50% of a standard service. This is the same service you'll see in your major factories, major service centres. Exactly the same service you'll see in them at 2/3 of the price, if that. So this machine simply hooks up to your transmission lines via these cords here. As you can see, also hooks up to the battery in your car. Flick it on, mobile, we can flush your vehicle straight away. There, as I said, 95%. Some of the results we get out of this machine are absolutely phenomenal. Fixes problems in your transmission, as well as prolonging the life of your transmission and stopping future problems. So that's a great little machine, and it's well worth the money. Cut. Okay,
Right.
action. Right, this is our radiator flush machine. Works much on the same principle as the transmission flush, only not with oil liquids but more with your water fluids. Now a lot of the problems with radiators and your radiating system, your cooling system of your vehicle, is you'll get corrosion and deposits that build up. Now keeping an ethyl glycol level of 50% will prevent any deterioration of your head and engine components. Now we keep this up. This also changes up to 95% of the fluids, which is a lot better than just dumping the fluid itself. Completely flushes out the engine again. Again, you use our Wins products here with a radiator sealant that comes in it and your radiator flush. So it's doing the complete job once again at half the price of what you pay in your major, or a third of the price of what you pay in your major industries. And it's very simple to do. Thank you. Okay, this is our power steering flush machine. Another U-Butte machine brought in by Wins. Completely flushes your power steering unit. Once again, we've got our additives that we use. A flush and an additive that stops crunks and groans in your power steering. Now it's absolutely fantastic, the results we're receiving from this machine. As you can see here, that's your clean oil. A lot of the machines, the last one that I've done here, you can see here there's a dramatic change. We've had a great reaction from this service, fixing a lot of problems with the service at the same time. Once again, it simply hooks up to the battery in your vehicle. Here's your power steering section of that there, and these things here go ahead and do their job once hooked up. And it's basic, simple, brings results, and it's a great little system altogether again. So that's our power steering flush. As we're doing this, the whole lot, the engine flush is going, we can get the whole lot done. Next I'm doing an induction clean, and as you can see I've taken the engine cover off here. We've taken out the thing, we can see the butterfly and all the intake here, and I've got my throttle body cleaner hooked up to the air compressor, and I'm about to do a bit of that. Now this is great for the environment, good for the planet, also saves you money on petrol by increasing the mileage in to your petrol tank. So it's a great service, well worth getting done as well. And also part of this is our Ultra Power, which hooks directly into your vacuum line, and I'll show you that in just a second as well. Okay, now with the Ultra Power, often known as a carbon blast, as you can see we've got the cord hooked up to the tin, goes directly into the manifold here, which cleans off all your valves, intake valves, exhaust valves as well, and all tack, and around your pistons, the whole sort of intake system. So we'll give that one a shot and have you to look at it running as well.
Okay.
Alright, wrapping everything up. We're finished, we're ready to head to the next job. So I hope it was a bit explanatory what we did here today. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call either myself, Scott, or Roger. Our numbers and details for contacting us are on the web page that you can see easily. And yeah, we're available anytime. Just give us a call and we'll see to doing this to your vehicle. Thank you.
Relinquishes one, but won't relinquish anymore, so he'll be told this time round to go to the rear. Big Pete down in the middle. Oliver now! Oliver's starting to push through with Sean Tishley. He wants off a Pagel corner. And that's where they've set the field.
The Campbell quarter truck has done the job. Just settling down around the edges of the racetrack.
They're racing. Where's Dad going
If it was, I wouldn't be allowed to race in this one.
Although I don't trust you. I'll get out of the way. I think you're a shallow guy.
Don't die.
Oh, she did come up.
James Elliott is in 26, and then Darren.
Here's Scotty having Christmas. Well, I don't think I'll ever see that again.
Keep going.
Cool. Christmas dinner next year.
On the hop. Guys, take that thing away.
Will you keep walking in front of me?
I'd be forced to do rude gesticulation. Bloody Jamie.
Hello.
Having a shower, rinsing its mouth out of its mouthwash before coming in.
Oi.
No, now she's going to follow. She's going to follow. There's a fly now.